Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about this X5M competition and in specifically something that at least I wish I knew about before buying it. So I collected this car at the end of Feb last year, and about 6 months into the ownership I've started realizing that one of my headlight units is getting some condensation inside it. At first I decided to give it some time, hoping that the headlights will just get ventilated itself and the condensation will disappear. But it didn't. So in November I got in touch with my local BMW dealership, explained them the situation and sent them the following two photos of the headlights. Long story short, a few days after they get in touch with me and they say, yep, the headlights should not have any condensation inside them, and they will try to take them out, dry them out and reseal them. If the issue does not go away, they will just have to replace them under the warranty. So as planned, I got my car back, and the next morning after collecting it, I took it for a drive and I saw that the condensation is back again in both of the headlight units. I sent these pictures back to my dealer along with a message saying unfortunately both headlights are still fogging up even though it hasn't rained since I collected the car. On 1st of December I took my car back to the dealer, and on 5th December I got an email from them saying that BMW UK deemed it to be not excessive and acceptable amount of condensation. So they do apologize if this is not the response I was looking for. So long story short, the promised headlight replacement under the warranty is no longer going to take place. So my dealer said that there is nothing they can do about it because it's the BMW UK who makes the decision on what gets approved and what gets not approved for the warranty. So they said the next thing I could do is contact BMW UK customer services on the number they provided. I contacted them straight away. That was Tuesday, 5th December. And they promised to look into this without any delay and get back to me within maximum of 2 working days, but they said probably much sooner. Nobody ever got back to me within those promised timeframes, and on Friday, 8th February, 5:30 p.m, I decided to give them a call back to see if they have any update. They did have an update, and their update was that sorry, but there is nothing we can do about this. I thought I would make this video as before buying this car, I was literally just going through every single video I could find on YouTube about X5M. So I was just like so into it, but I never really seen anyone mention this issue. But after doing some research and posting some questions on forums and other platforms, it turns out that a lot of new BMWs with laser lights have this problem. But not everyone. A lot of people who have X5s, X6 with laser lights, they don't have any condensation at all, and it's the first time they've heard about it. So condensation doesn't seem to be a unique feature you get with this light, but it seems to be an issue for a lot of BMW drivers. I'll also have a 1 Series BMW from 2016 and an X5 from 2018, and neither of those cars ever have any condensation in their headlights. So seeing condensation in the flagman laser lights from BMW that cost around £4,000 each to replace was, to say the least, a not very nice surprise to me. I've contacted BMW recently again and sent them more photos as the condensation is getting worse. The condensation is turning into water droplets. So I'm looking forward to seeing their response, and I'll keep you guys updated. If you can leave a comment and a like below, that would be much appreciated, as that will help this video to be shown to more people.